Hey there, kitchen enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of convenient and hassle-free cooking with the Instant Zest rice and grain cooker, brought to you by the brilliant minds behind Instant Pot. If you're tired of overcooking or undercooking your grains and rice, wasting time in the kitchen, or simply want to add a versatile appliance to your culinary arsenal, this review is for you. Let's uncover how the Instant Zest can revolutionize your cooking game. The Instant Zest rice and grain cooker is not just another kitchen gadget, it's a game changer. With an 8-cup capacity, it strikes the perfect balance between value, convenience, and culinary excellence. Say goodbye to the days of fretting over grain and rice cooking because this sleek machine has got you covered. Smart cooking programs. One of the standout features of the Instant Zest is its intelligent cooking programs. These programs are designed to save you time and guarantee that your dishes turn out precisely the way you want them. Imagine perfectly cooked rice, fluffy quinoa, hearty oatmeal, and more, all at the push of a button. It's like having a professional chef in your kitchen, without the hefty price tag. Fine-tuned to perfection. But here's where the Instant Zest truly shines. It allows you to fine-tune and save cooking times and temperatures to match your family's unique tastes. No more guesswork or relying on generic settings. You're in control, and your culinary creations will reflect your preferences every time. Versatile cooking. Now, let's talk about versatility. This rice and grain cooker doesn't limit you to just a few options. Sure, it excels at cooking white and brown rice, quinoa, and oatmeal to perfection. But it doesn't stop there. You can prepare a wide variety of grains, from millet and farro to polenta, barley, rice pudding, and more. Even those hearty grains like spelt and wheat berries that usually take ages to cook are a breeze with the Instant Zest. Steaming goodness. But wait, there's more. The Instant Zest isn't confined to grains and rice alone. It's a multitasking genius. Steam your veggies, fish, dumplings, tamales, cabbages, wontons, and a whole lot more with absolute ease. No need for multiple appliances cluttering up your kitchen. The Instant Zest does it all. User-friendly design. The bright and bold display, coupled with status indicators, keeps you informed about your food's progress throughout the cooking process. It's like having a sous chef that never takes a break. Plus, the delay start and keep warm functions ensure that your delicious creations are ready when you are, whether it's a family dinner or a late-night snack. In conclusion, the Instant Zest rice and grain cooker is a kitchen essential that no culinary enthusiast should be without. It combines value, convenience, and precision cooking, all in one sleek package. Say goodbye to kitchen mishaps and hello to consistently perfect rice, grains, and more. It's time to elevate your cooking game with the Instant Zest. So, what are you waiting for? Upgrade your kitchen arsenal and start enjoying hassle-free, delicious meals today. Your taste buds will thank you.